Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So it's time for another bump date. I hope you guys are enjoying these. I'm trying to keep you guys up to date with this pregnancy, and also just so I can look back years from now, you know, to see what I went through and all that. So if you guys are enjoying it, give me a big thumbs up. So if you guys don't know, I am officially in the third trimester. Like, I am in my last and final trimester of this pregnancy. Where has the time gone? It's crazy to think that in 2 months, 2 weeks, 1 hour, 56 minutes, and 19 seconds that baby boy will be here. How crazy is that? I just cannot believe it. So yes, I am in the third trimester. Woo! And I must say that so far I'm feeling okay. Usually they say that the symptoms from the first trimester sneaks back into your life in the third trimester, but so far so good. I don't have any wood to knock on. But so far so good. Everything is just moving so fast. It's just like, girl, like, your son is gonna be here before you know it. And it's like, oh my god. And I feel like I have so much to do, but that's why I said in January is crunch time, because when March comes, and I think I've said this like 5 times already, but when March comes, I do not want to stress or overwhelm myself, because I want to mentally, physically, and emotionally prepare myself for labor and delivery, because who knows, he can come on his due date, he can come 2 weeks before. I just don't know. You know, everything's on God's timing, but I just want to be prepared on my part for whatever. So that's why I'm just giving things in order. If you guys are following me on my vlogging channel, then you guys will see more of the behind the scenes, like we're looking for furniture for him and all that, because we are planning to stay here for a little bit longer, and so we want to make sure that we have things in order for him and planning some other things. So it's just a lot of things to get in order, but I'm so excited, and I just cannot believe that I'm already in the third trimester. Like, I feel like I just got knocked up and now he's about to come. So if you guys are following me on my vlogging channel, you guys know that I've been complaining about my back. I've been having severe back problems, like very severe. It hurts. I mean, I'm talking about like, whew. It's like it starts at my lower back and then it like comes up like on my spine and on the sides, and then it just like, it's just, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it starts in my lower back and then it kind of like rises up, and it's very painful. And you know, I know every pregnancy is different. I keep saying I didn't feel like this when I was pregnant with Maddie. For one, I was having a girl at first, and two, every pregnancy is just different. I mean, no 2 pregnancies are the same, and obviously he's just a little heavier this time, and it's putting a lot of pressure on my back. So when I sit down for like long periods of time, which I don't think I sit down for a long time, but it just hurts. Like, it hurts so bad, and I don't know. So my midwife suggested that I start with a maternity support belt, so I have that. I've been using it around the house and when I go out in public. I can say honestly, it's okay. You know, I know the relief is not going to be gone 100%, but I'd rather feel some type of relief than no relief at all, okay? So I am going to look into a prenatal massage just to see if they can help out with that, and if that doesn't work, then I might have to go to a chiropractor. So I used to go to a chiropractor a couple of years ago because a guy ran into me in my car, so I went to him for that. I don't know if he specializes in prenatal, so because I don't want to be on the bed and shaking and all that and getting the little shockers. It's like that. Like, no, I'm not shaking myself into labor, okay? So hopefully I won't have to do that, but if it does get to that point and the pain is just ridiculous, then I'm going to have to consider that. Or maybe acupuncture. I don't know. But you know, if you guys have any suggestions on my back pain, let me know down below. But so far the support belt is okay. We got it straight from Babies R Us. You can go there and find it in the nursing area, and they have like 2 types of, I saw 2 types of belts, but the one that I got with the extra belt on top gives me extra support. So I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in that. So other than my pain, I threw up once, and but I haven't been nauseous or anything, so that's a good thing. I am gaining weight. I went to my prenatal appointment and I am close to the weight that I was when I gave birth to Maddie. Pretty much when I gave birth to Maddie, I was 144 and I'm 140 already. So, yes. I am keeping my diet in order because I have fallen back from working out and going to the gym simply because of baby boy's heartbeat. You know, that really scared me. I didn't want to do anything too strenuous or put too much pressure on my body to cause his heartbeat to skip again, because it really did scare me, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I know things happen, but that really scared me, you know what I'm saying, because he's doing so well, growing healthy, and then that one moment his heart rate, it's just, you know, it scared me. So I've fallen back from the gym, but I am going to do prenatal workouts and everything. Like I said, I just want to prepare myself mentally, physically, emotionally for my labor and delivery. So I just want to get myself in shape and make sure that I'm prepared for that. So I will continue to do that and keep my diet in order, because Lord knows a cheeseburger sounds good right now. So yeah, I'm about to have 2 kids, you guys. Like, it's amazing how, you know, things that you've always dreamed of come true. Like, I've always said that I wanted 2 kids. I always wanted 2 kids, a boy and a girl, and it's just amazing to know that I already have my girl, yay, and now I'm about to have my boy. So in my eyes, I'm done, but who knows, you know, God is the God of all things, so he could, you know, bless us with another one. I don't know. Just an amazing feeling to know that my desire to be a mom, you know, came true 4 years ago, and to know that I'm blessed with another one, it's just amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I mean, this pregnancy has been a little stressful and overwhelming for me or whatnot, and I think it's just the raging hormones and whatever the case is, because I heard that when you have a boy, you're more emotional, you're more snappy, you're more hormonal, a little depressed here and there, and I can honestly say that I felt like that this pregnancy. Overall, I'm choosing joy, I'm happy, I'm blessed, I can't complain. That's the bigger picture of it all. But I'm just so happy to know that I am about to be a mother of 2 kids. I love my daughter. She's a handful, but I love my baby girl so much, and my baby boy is going to be just as loved and well taken care of as she is. Smart, intelligent, funny, hilarious, energetic, all the above. Like, I'm just so happy, and I just can't believe that I'm about to experience life with 2 kids. Crazy. I am going to be going to my prenatal appointments every 2 weeks, so whenever I get a new update or something, I will definitely keep you guys posted. I do want to still do these every 2 weeks or so, just to keep you guys abreast of what's been going on and all that. And yeah, so other than that, I think that's it for this update video. So it's time for the bump. Look at that belly. So yes, he's a little ashy. So yeah, he is getting, wow, I'm really ashy, y'all, but he is getting huge. But so if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in 2 more weeks for another bump date. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't you forget to subscribe to my vlogger channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.